With photography, being able to modify and replace specific colors in your scene allows you to create the styles and looks that you want to see. With ON1 Photo RAW, you can use the dedicated Replace Color filter to do exactly that. Simply point it to the color that you want to change, and ON1 Photo RAW will do the rest. In this video, let's modify the colors in a car to match the style that we're going for. If you enjoy this video, please hit that like button, and as always, subscribe to our YouTube channel for all new editing tips and tutorials. Inside of Photo RAW, I have this car image, and let's say we have a client that's looking to modify the color of their car. For whatever reason, they need their car to be a different color, and we need to change it. Well, an easy way to go in and change the color of your car or object is with the Replace Color filter. So I'll go to the Effects tab, I'll add a filter, and I'll add the Replace Color filter. Now with the Replace Color filter, all I have to do is find my target color. So I'll grab this little color dropper here, and I'll just drop it on this area of red. Then I'll go into my color change option with this rectangle of color here, and I can choose the color that I want to swap it with. Let's say we want a green car instead. I'll pull the color over here into a nice green tone, and then I'll increase the saturation a little bit as well. So this isn't looking too bad. If we turn this off and on, it's doing a great job of swapping out those colors. One thing I want to do is I'll just select this target color, and I might fine tune this just a little bit. And then I'll go into the Replace Color filter, and I'll pull up on this range slider. And you can see now it's completely replacing that red color with our green color. And I know that around the car, it's looking a little bit tinted. So what we can do to clean up the car a little bit, because we do have a little bit of green tint on the light as well, we can use our masking brush. So I'll just hit B on my keyboard, and that will pull up my masking brush. In my top tool modifier bar, I'm going to make sure that my feathering is at 100, my opacity is at 100, and my flow is at 100, so that I'm painting away the entirety of this Replace Color filter from the areas that I don't want it. I'm going to increase the brush size with the bracket key on my keyboard. And there we go. So if we turn this off and on now, it's doing a great job of replacing that color and turning the color of the car into that green that we're looking for. Now let's just stylize a bit. Let's add another filter, and I'll add the Vignette Filter. Big Softy is an awesome preset for darkening these corners and really honing in on the subject in the middle. Let's just lower the opacity a bit. And then let's just add one more filter. Let's add Sunshine. Just like that.